Hello, and welcome to another Cloud Systems training video for atmospherics. In this video, we will go over how to install the atmospherics software. We will learn how to install atmospherics on a Windows computer, configuring the installation to use the database program Postgres to store all of the atmospherics configuration information. This is the recommended installation procedure for commercial or production use of atmospherics. The software can also be installed without Postgres, used primarily for evaluation and demonstration purposes. First, let's install Postgres using the Postgres Windows installer. Click Start, then click Next until reaching the service configuration screen. This is the first of two steps where we specify a username and password for Postgres. The account name is a new Windows user that will be created on the computer. You can name this account whatever you like. Enter a password or leave it blank, and Postgres will generate a password for you. Click Next. Click Yes, and click OK. The Initialize Database Cluster screen is where we create the username and password for the Postgres database that atmospherics will access. The username and password will be required when we install atmospherics. First, change the encoding to UTF-8. Then choose a super username and password. Click Next. Continue clicking Next until the installation begins. The Postgres installation may take a few minutes. Postgres is now installed and listed under your programs. If you have any problems installing Postgres, please refer to Postgres documentation. Now let's run the atmospherics installer. Click Next. Accept the atmospherics license agreement. The open source technologies that atmospherics utilizes come bundled with the atmospherics installer. Accept the license agreements for these technologies and click Next. Select the production setup type to specify this installation uses Postgres. Click Next. Now enter the Postgres super username and password from the Postgres installation. Continue clicking Next until the atmospherics installation begins. This installation may also take a few minutes. Atmospherics is now installed and listed under your programs. Thank you for watching this video and learning how to install atmospherics. I hope you have found it helpful. For more atmospherics training videos, lots of other information about atmospherics, or for contact information if you have any questions, please visit the Cloud Systems website at www.cloudsystems.com.